To make our snickerdoodles, we're gonna start with using 2 sticks of unsalted softened butter. You wanna make sure your butter is softened, which means you can indent it with your finger, but it doesn't push all the way through. You wanna make sure that the butter is softened so it's properly creamed together with the sugar. The sugar is gonna punch holes into the butter, creating little air pockets that will then fill up with gases from your leavening agents to help your cookies rise. Once you've creamed together the butter and sugar, go ahead and add in your room temperature eggs. Cream these together one at a time until combined. You want to make sure your eggs are at room temperature. If they are too cold, they will seize up the butter, making your mixture become curdled. Add in some vanilla extract for some flavor. Next, you're going to add in your dry ingredients, some flour, a little bit of salt, and then we're adding in some baking soda and cream of tartar. These two will react together to help your cookies rise. This is also what gives the snickerdoodles their kind of signature little bit of tangy taste. So go ahead and add those in and then mix to combine. This dough does need to chill for an hour in the refrigerator before you are ready to bake them. Otherwise, they will spread way too much in the oven. So pop your dough in the fridge for an hour and then they'll be ready to bake. We're gonna prepare our sugar cinnamon topping for our snickerdoodles. So I'm just combining granulated sugar with a little bit of cinnamon. I'm just gonna stir that together, and this is what we're gonna roll the cookies in before they bake. Once the dough has chilled, we can go ahead and scoop our cookies. I'm just using a small cookie scoop so that I get even sized cookies that bake evenly. Or you can just use 2 spoons. You want to scoop in and then roll it in your hands to make it smooth. We're just going to roll each cookie in the cinnamon sugar. This is what makes a classic snickerdoodle cookie coating. And we'll just place this on a lined cookie sheet.